Hello everyone, Happy New Year. Are you ready to have fun and learn colors at our New Year Colors party? Today, we're going to play a super fun game with New Year party items. I'll show you something colorful and you'll help me name the color. Are you ready? Let's go. Look at this shiny balloon. What color is it? Is it yellow? No, it's red. Say it with me. Red balloon. Wow. Look at this cool party hat. What color is this? Yes, it's blue. Can you say blue with me? Now, what do we have here? A shiny star. What color is it? It's golden. Say it together. Golden star. Now it's your turn. I'll show you something colorful, and you have to shout out the color. Ready? Did you say green? That's right. Great job. You did amazing. You helped me name so many colors. Now let's celebrate with a rainbow of confetti. Say it with me. Happy New Year. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.